Imagine a drop of water. Ordinary, harmless. But what if this drop can tell the whole story of science? Science is hidden even in the simplest phenomena. How this drop interacts with the surface of the water. In slow motion, you can see all the subtleties of water movement. Visualize the impact force of a drop churl. Physics in action. The corona formation demonstrates the surface tension of the water. The movement of the droplet creates mesmerizing patterns. Microdrops in the air are like small particles of a complex system. The energy of the impact is distributed over the corona cadron. We observe patterns. Each drop behaves differently, creating a unique pattern. The light plays on the surface of the water, emphasizing the details. The formation of the crown captures the attention of every viewer. Each micro-movement has its own patterns. We add color to emphasize the dynamics of movement. The light and movement create a visually immersive effect. We watch as the crown collapses in slow motion. The effect of each drop on the waves becomes obvious. Microdrops create complex patterns on the surface of the water. Combining motion and light enhances the observation effect. A whole series of droplets demonstrates the laws of water physics. We begin the experiment. A series of droplets creates successive waves. We observe how the waves diverge and interact with each other. Microdrops emphasize the complexity of each stroke. Different liquids give different visual effects. All the details of the crown formation are visible from above. The interaction of the droplets creates unpredictable patterns. Slow motion reveals hidden patterns. A viscous liquid exhibits unusual effects. The waves interact to create visually exciting patterns. The surfaces change shape, and droplets spray. Each subsequent drop adds to the dynamics of the entire system. The impact force is visualized for a better understanding of the experiment. The crown is highlighted so that the viewer can see all the details. The color highlights the movement and dynamics of each drop. We are looking at the synchronous effect of several drops. Let's look at the details. The surface of the water creates a stress that affects the shape of the drop. The particles reveal how energy is distributed through the water. The rebound of a drop shows the elasticity and viscosity of the liquid. Microspraying creates complex patterns on the surface. Each mini-splash demonstrates the physics of the liquid. Visualize the forces acting on the drop. The interaction of the droplets creates complex dynamic patterns. The crown and the light make the experiment visually fascinating. The sequence of drops reveals the patterns of water movement. Now we change the conditions. Different liquids give different effects when a drop falls. The viscous liquid makes the crown look slower and more expressive. The metal surface changes the shape of the spray. The glass creates a different visual pattern of the drop. Wood gives unique splashes and texture. A series of droplets shows how the waves interact with each other. The droplets collide in the air, creating intriguing patterns. Color enhances the visual perception of the experiment. The waves create patterns that are difficult to predict. The impact energy is visualized in color. Understanding the movement of each drop improves the effect of the experiment. We compare how different liquids react to a drop. The bubbles create an additional visual effect. The refraction of light makes the drops even more spectacular. Particle tracks enhance understanding of dynamics. Circular waves create harmonious patterns on the water. Reflection add drama to every drop. Complex patterns demonstrate the variety of fluid movement. The impact energy is visually distributed across the crown. Color and viscosity create exciting variations in the experiment. Small particles highlight the details of the droplets' physics. The interaction of the droplets creates spectacular visual effects. Many drops simultaneously enhance the effect of the experiment. The experiment showed how even a simple drop can create complex patterns. Coronas and micro-movements demonstrate the dynamics of surface tension. The sequence of drops reveals the patterns of water interaction. Different liquids showed a variety of visual effects. The elasticity of the droplets reveals the hidden physical properties of the liquid. Small particles show the complexity of each hit. The final waves create harmonious patterns on the water. Unique shapes add visual interest. The energy of each impact is visible through the movement of the droplets. The experiment is over. A simple drop revealed amazing patterns. In the next video, we'll show a drop that behaves completely differently. You will see an effect that will surprise even experienced viewers. Stay tuned for the next series of experiments with unusual drop shapes and many other experiments. Small details hide the great secrets of science. Subscribe to avoid missing the next series of experiments. Science is amazing, even in the smallest drops. Keep exploring the world of microphysics with us. Don't miss out on new videos featuring even more amazing experiments. Subscribe and like to support the channel. See you in the next video. New experiments are waiting for you.